going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be fishing Lews. I'm going to be reviewing my digital reel chip today, the Shimano Curado DC, and see the pros and cons about it and just put it to the test. Really, today I put new line on it, so that is really going to put it to the test today. Hopefully we can catch some fish also while doing that. Let's get to it. Alright everyone, so I've made it to the first spot of the day, and I'm really going to be testing out this digital chip reel today. I've had it for a few months now, but today I'm going to talk about it in depth, the pros, the cons, the things I like about it, the things I don't. And to be honest with you, there's not many things that I do not like about it, but I'll be reviewing that anyway. I'm going to be starting off with the Yum Cinco here with a smoke / pearl lamb. Probably use these Cincos once, see if I can catch any fish. Hopefully we can land some fish today, and talk more about this reel and see if it's actually worth the money, see if digital chip reels are actually worth it. So I get to fishing right here. It is pretty windy today, so I'm gonna fish right here. I'm not gonna fish any further. I did put new line on this, so we'll see how this holds up, see if this reel actually puts some work. We'll get to fishing and hopefully we can catch some. Overall, I've had this reel for about a few months now. I don't know exactly, probably about 4 or 5 months around, and I love it. This reel is amazing. There's not too many things that I do not like about it. I'll go ahead and explain those things here in a bit. So far, the things that I do like about it is that it's very accurate. You can cast very far. I mean, anybody can use it as long as you don't put the settings down super low with like brand new line. Really, anybody can use this reel. A beginner can get this reel and it'll be perfect for them because you just have the settings kind of dialed in and your cast really don't matter at that point, how you cast it, because the digital chip will do all the work. Pretty impressive. I am very impressed with this reel. They designed it perfectly. I've only found a few flaws with it, but overall, everybody, this reel is pretty good, and I don't think I would change anything about it. Maybe a few things, but over these past few months I think it's a pretty good reel, and I don't know, it's amazing, honestly. So casting with this thing is pretty smooth. You just cast out there, pretty accurate. It's pretty windy today, so making casts is gonna be a little bit of a problem. It's also gonna put this reel to the test, how it does in windy situations. Like right there, I'm not making any good cast. The gear ratio is pretty good. The bearings are pretty good. I do need to kind of grease my bearings a bit on the reel itself right here. I did drop it in water a few times, so that's kind of a problem right now. That's one of my cons. This reel, I dropped it in the water probably about 3 or 4 times, and this reel is kind of getting stuck a little bit, or kind of a little slow. So I do need to grease that, but that's partly my fault. I don't think it's the reel's fault. Keep fishing, see if I can land a fish, see if I can make accurate casts, because these casts are terrible. Oh, I had a fish on. He was taking my Cinco. I was just letting it sit. That was quick. Been fishing for about 15 minutes or so. He just took it. I didn't have time to set the hook. I didn't have time to react. I don't think he's gonna come back. Usually fish that eat like that never come back. Just a one-time thing. They bite it, they let it go. There we go, everybody. First fish of the day. Oh my gosh, I wasn't paying attention. Holy crap. That's a nice one. Get in the net, buddy. That's probably about a 2.5, 3 pounder. There we go. I was not paying attention. Instantly, I got crushed. There we go. First fish of the day. I've been fishing this whole cove for quite some time now, and I wasn't running into any fish. Not a bad first fish of the day. Very chunky fish, probably about a 2.5, 3 pounder. Hey, buddy, chill. Go ahead and let this fish go. He's very antsy. There he goes, back in the water. Wow, the reel held up pretty good, since that's what I'm reviewing today. It held up really good, guys. This reel has not let me down once, probably a few times because of my drag, and that was my fault. But overall, this reel is amazing, like I've said, and I think it's worth the price. I think it's worth getting a digital chip reel, but that was crazy. I did not expect to catch a fish just like that. I mean, he ate it right in front of me. I'll keep fishing this area. I'm pretty much done right here in this area. I'm gonna go fish the docks, see if I can land any more fish. fish. Hopefully I do. All right, everyone, so I've made it to the second spot of the day. I'm going to be fishing right here at the docks as I always do. I might even fish to the right a little more if I don't catch anything on these docks, but so far caught a nice fish. Not gonna lie, that fish was pretty decent. I haven't caught a nice fish like that in a while, other than my PB that I just caught. Pretty good. Usually I've been catching pretty small fish, not too giant, so that felt pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and give this area a shot. I apologize for the wind. I'm pretty back here, but it's still pretty windy, so fish the docks. Hopefully I can land another one and make something happen. What's up? I am, as you can tell, I'm on land. That guy, that park ranger or whatever, game warden, I have no idea what he was. He told me I couldn't fish on the dock. So I know I can't fish on the dock. I wasn't on the dock, I was fishing next to the dock. I talked to a park ranger beforehand, earlier today, the supervisor, like of all the park rangers, the boss. Because I had this incident last time. This park ranger said we couldn't fish here, said we couldn't fish over there. So I talked to him about it and I told him, I asked him, I was like, is this like a no fishing zone basically? Like this whole area. No, I'm not talking about the dock. I know you can't get on the dock, and he told me technically it is, but no one should bother you. If they tell you something, tell them that I said it was fine. I was like, all right. So I came to approach these park rangers right here. I got off my kayak, I was gonna go talk to them, and they left. So if one tells me something, or if I get fined today, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm not fishing on the docks. That is the thing. I'm fishing next to them, but I'm not fishing on them. He seemed pretty ticked off, so I don't know. I have no idea what. I'm just gonna continue fishing. I'm not gonna get on the docks like I said, but I'm gonna fish the area because I don't know. I honestly don't know who to believe anymore. I don't know where I can fish or not. It's stupid. I'm just gonna continue my day. This is stupid. All right, everybody, so my GoPro is kind of bugging out. I don't know why. It's not recording at times. I don't know what's the deal with it, but I'm gonna keep fishing this area. Hopefully I can catch one. Hopefully this video doesn't get corrupted, because it's acting up. I don't know why. It's a bite. Oh, my drag slipped. I had my drag all the way low. Oh my god. Rookie mistake, guys. Rookie freaking mistake. I don't know why it was like all the way down. I have no idea why. I never fished this area, but I decided to fish it today, kind of just to change it up and try not to get in trouble with park rangers, because at this point it's getting annoying. So I'll keep fishing, see if I can get another bite, but so far it's not looking so good. Well, everybody, that is going to effectively end today's video. Today was definitely a struggle between my GoPro messing up, wind, park rangers trying to kick me out, my drag not being set when I set the hook. Today was hard, not gonna lie. At least I landed one fish. If you want to see another video reviewing the digital chip reel, more in depth about gear ratio, how far it casts, leave a comment down below and I'll make sure to make that video. But if you enjoyed the video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe for future content just like this. And I'll catch y'all next time on JJ Fishes.